I'm in Tel Aviv now. It's a different place. I didn't visit it for a long time, but I want to show you something else. What happened when a war is happening in Israel, especially when it's not our fault and it's happened because of the terror organization of Hamas, ISIS in Gaza. Then look at the billboards. There's no right and left. The spirit will win. To give as much as you can, to donate, to help. That what you're gonna see on strong together, stronger together. And why actually we're talking about something like that? We have a lot of conflicts in Israel between democratic people and dictatorship people. If someone needs help, mentally help, we can help you. If something happened at the alarm stop, the best thing to do is to stop. Those people who've been kidnapped by ISIS, now I know that there are 210 like that. Help the security forces and the soldiers of Israel. You can donate. Then this is really Israel. No more advertising. In almost every place you will find the Israeli flag. Almost in every billboard you will see everything about Israel. Israel is the only country that I know that in wartime, everyone, all the Israelis, a lot of the Israelis are going back home. They're stopping their vacation and reaching their houses to help. Ooh, I hope that you can hear something, because there's a lot of wind here, which is amazing because until now it was still hot. Then let me show you some more things. Stay with me, stay tuned. This is, for example, the entrance to a Tel Aviv shopping mall, and you can see the Israeli flags. Oh, it will be all over. It is Saturday. A lot of the places are closed because a lot of them are kosher, but not everything. Look at the beautiful buildings that they build in Tel Aviv. And one of them, my brother, Kobe, is actually living. He's a rich guy. At least that's what I think. But I want to show you something even more important than don't go away. For example, here there's a menu, but they said for the soldier everything is for free. Well, ISIS made one mistake. He thought that we do have some problems in Israel and he can use it, which is true. We are not so strong together, just like the billboard said. But when something happened to Israel, we are united. Then together we will win. That's the billboard say. But look at that billboard. The world is supporting us. Everyone are united, brothers. We are brothers, which is true. And brothers got problems. Then all the billboards in Israel is now part of the war. Part of the idea that we have no other choice but to survive. The thing that I will ask you to understand is that the aim of Hamas, the terror organization of Palestine, that actually leads Gaza, wants to delete Israel from the map. But not only Israel, next Christian countries as well. Then in that case, stop supporting terror organization. Support Israel, the only democratic country in that region. Then in that case, I think you know me. A lot of you already knows me. I love people, but I will never accept terror organization. And more than that, I will never accept terror supporters. that if you want to free Palestine, I'm for you. Free Palestine from their terror organization, ISIS, Hamas. Then the word, let's be stronger together against that enemy. Let us be stronger together against the Muslim terror organization. Thank you very much for being with me, and I hope that I actually changed the mind of at least few of you. Thank you very much. We support Israel.